Hi, I'm Dominik, and this is my fucking bike check. Alright, starting from the top, we got Odyssey bar ends.
Par
Bar ends. Then I got Merit grips. Got Shadow Signature Ben Huck bars. Got a Sierra Monza stem, which no one knows what the fuck it is, but it's sexy. Got a Demolition top cap. Moving down to the forks, I got Demolition Elite Rob Wise forks with a Demolition Jump Chunk V3 peg. And I'm riding a full Trable wheel with Donna Squeak tires. Then the frame, I have an Eastern Grim Reaper, shitty frame. Cranks, I have Demolition Revolt cranks with Eclat / PC pedals. I have my sprocket's a Fit sprocket. I don't know what the fuck I'm riding in my bottom bracket, but it's just there. Chain, I have a Shadow Interlock V2. My seat post is a Fiend seat post with a Fiend seat. My back peg is a Demolition Dump Chuck V3 peg, just like the front. My back wheel is a Ezra hub with shadow spokes, and I don't know what the fuck my back rim is. The hub is convertible from free coaster to cassette, but I'm a pussy, so I ride free coaster. We got a Donna Squeak back tire for the back, and that's it.
There you have it.